Hello and welcome to the ASUG News Studio, sponsored by NTT Data. I'm Craig Powers, and today I am joined by Thomas Grassl of SAP. You are the, I guess, the head of developer relations. Is that a good way to describe you?
That's correct. So I'm basically overlooking all developer programs. So these are the external developer programs.
Right.
Working with the community of developers, get them the latest stuff out, get them educated what's coming.
Right.
And yeah, also look for new developers.
So what's SAP's interest? Why are developers important to SAP?
Yeah, so developers are really like a cornerstone for innovation, and that's what we see more and more coming up. So if you look into the platforms, especially around like data, the mobile devices, sharing information of data, you need to have the developers who build all this stuff.
Right.
And like SAP always had a very vibrant developer ecosystem,
right.
But we're also seeing like there's definitely lots of like new areas in IoT, in mobile, right. Where we're looking for developers to grow even this ecosystem out.
And you know, I think back to the keynote last night. You had Enterprise Jungle with Chris Payne, an SAP mentor, up on stage. You know, talking about what they're developing on HANA Cloud Platform. How does HANA Cloud Platform play into this?
So HANA Cloud Platform, as you probably saw yesterday and also today in Björn's keynote, it's kind of like for us where we concentrate the developer efforts, like for extending the business applications which are out there already, but also now like with bringing in HANA and like other services, like you saw like API services, you saw gateway services, mobile services. This is like a platform in the cloud, and that allows developers to rapidly build something and really enhance it. So this is like definitely the mainstream where we are working with the developer community to adopt it and build it out in the cloud, and the cloud is really nice because you're up going within like a few minutes on the cloud platform.
And thinking back to this event outside of the keynotes, what is SAP? What are you doing to kind of work with developers, build those relationships?
Yeah. So for us, like developers, it's very important to really work and get the technology and have this technology deep down discussion. So that's what we also, and you probably saw a few new areas here at TechEd and Decode. One of it is like the Hackers Launch in the beginning, where we really have like sensors and like helping developers like, okay, you have like a temperature sensor, how do you get this data into a HANA platform, HANA Cloud Platform? What can you do with this data? So it's really focused on hands-on. We also have the mini code jams.
Yeah,
that's back there. It's really, really popular. It's constantly like people are standing, where we have sessions where you follow out along an instructor and can ask them, how do I build this? How do I enhance this, etc. So it's really focusing on a lot of like hands-on, explaining the stuff, but also like the community aspects, like getting them together, discuss it. So tonight we run Hackers Night, tomorrow is Demo Jam. We did an InnoJam in Palo Alto this weekend. We did an IoT event Thursday and Friday before.
Wow.
So there's a lot of like developer events currently going on.
That's great. Well, I appreciate you coming on, talking about developers. Obviously that's a huge topic at TechEd. And well, have a great rest of your TechEd.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us. For more SAP stories, head to asugnews.com.